Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a turnkey guest house, our home income earner, fully furnished with all the bells and whistles of resort living ready for immediate occupation. The stately double mahogany doors, entrance with steps welcomes you to 5 bedrooms, 3 living rooms, 2 reception rooms, 3 kitchens, 4 balconies, 2 of which comes with ocean view, and 7 bathrooms spanning over 3 floors. There is a swimming pool, kiddies pool, changing area room, bar area with gazebo and rooftop terrace. The lower ground floor has its own front door with patio. The gourmet style kitchen on the main floor comes with stainless steel appliances. The property is well landscaped, fully walled, and is situated in the peaceful and secure community of Plantation Village. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 700,000 or Jamaican $107.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.